Alright, guys, welcome to the third part of our series. Today, we're diving into the world of strings and arithmetic operations. It's like mixing poetry with math. What could possibly go wrong? Stick around till the end because I'll share a bonus tip that will make your coding life a lot easier. Let's go! First up, strings. Not the kind you find on your hoodie, but the kind that makes Python sing. Strings are sequences of characters enclosed in quotes, single, double, or triple quotes. We have learned about this in the first chapter of our series, uh, where we have discussed about variables and we have learned about IDLEs and such. There, we have studied about strings as well. You can go check that out as well. You can use any of these quotes, but be consistent or Python might get confused and throw a tantrum. I mean, an error. Now, strings are super versatile. You can concatenate them, which is a fancy word for joining them together. As we can see here, I have defined a variable named greeting, and then I've given here a double quoted string named hello. I've given some space here so that the next word which I'm concatenating can join in as well, and there can be a space as well. Now, I've also given a plus sign here for concatenating because I'm joining two words together, and plus I'm like joining together. And then I've also given another double quoted string which is world. And now, when I'm printing this greeting is defined here as we can see the concatenation of hello and world. So the answer that will come out will be hello world. This together it will come out like this. You can also repeat strings using the asterisk operator. As we can see here, this is the asterisk operator. It repeats the string again and again. And it's like it is saying encore, encore. Now, let's say I define a variable named echo here. Now, echo is defined as hello. And now, if I want to repeat it again, let's say I want to repeat it three times. I put an asterisk operator and then I just write integer three times. Three. And if I let's say if I print echo, the result that will come out will be just like this. Look at this, it will be just like this. I'm repeating it three times, and this is the result that will be. Strings are also great for slicing and dicing. Want just a piece of the string? Use indexing. Python uses zero based indexing, which means we can start counting from zero. As we can see here, I've defined a variable named Python. Here, this is a string. And now if I'm printing a word, but I just gave a little here. I just gave this one and I just wrote here zero. That means only going to write the first letter, the first character of the entire word. This is indexing, or we can also say zero based indexing because it starts from zero and not one. If I'm writing, let's say, if I'm giving here one, let's say in the second case I wrote print, and then I wrote the print and I gave an indexing 1 is to 4. That means only the one, that means the second letter and the third letter and the fourth letter will only come out. Because as we can see here, first, second, and third. Only the third letter will come out here and not the fourth letter. Only 1 to 3. That's why we get the result as YTH. This is why we get the result. 0, this is P is 0, Y is 1, sorry, Y is 1, T is 2, H is 3, O is 4, and N is 5. Obviously, let's not forget negative indexing lets you count from the end. It's like reading backwards. and it's perfect for impressing your friends at parties. Because as we can see here, we can also give indexing of -1. That means it'll start from the backside, -1. So the answer that will come out will be n, the last one. If I'm giving it as -3 and then we just don't give, because if we are starting from the backwards, we can get n, o, and h because let's say this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. That's what we're getting, right? Now, let's talk about arithmetic operations, the math side of things. Python makes math easy and fun, I promise. Don't worry about it. We've got addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It's like being back in school, but without the homework. Need to get fancy? Python also supports exponentiation like this was one, and modulus. Modulus, if you don't know, it is the remainder of two numbers. Like if we are dividing A and B, for example, modulus is the remainder when A is divided by B, which are great for those moments when you want to show off your math skills. Don't forget, you can combine these operations with your and operations to make your life even easier. It's like shorthand for math, perfect for lazy coders just like me. Now, as I promised, it's the bonus time. Now, this is something most beginners don't know about. That is about formatted strings. It is a special formatting that we do to our strings, and it is possible in Python. And let's say if I give define my name as, let's say, John, it's not my name. And if I give my age 30, again, it's not my age. And let's say if I print, first of all, we can understand directly that this string is going to be formatted when we see this F letter right in front of the code. Now let's say I'm printing my name is, then I give a curly brace and give name. Now this name is linking to this name over here. That means John in this case. And I am, again curly brace, age old. Again, we are defining this with the age. That means when I give the answer away, that means the answer will be my, wait a second, my name is John and I am 30 years old. This is going to be the answer. This is going to be the answer of the, like, this is going to what that this is the thing that will come out in the output. Now if I change this to, let's say, Alice, and change this one to, let's say, 26, again this is going to change. Remember, this will change and it's going to become, my name is Alice and I'm 26 years old. And this is going to be the answer of this time because I'm giving here Alice and this is 26. So basically, what it's doing, it is linking a variable in a string so that you can write or you can answer different people with different answers, not separately, but just the keyword that you want to change, that you can change. That's all it, folks. Hope you like this video, and our next video will be launching this Sunday. And if you like our videos and you want to support our channel, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. See ya.